Yeah, I'm Jonathan with Kitchen Fires, and this is the operations overview. This is what we're going to cover. Okay, to begin with, we're making ready for this operation. First, we're getting all the tools and equipment out of the vehicle and getting everything connected. So the water hose, the pressure washer, the pressure hoses, everything's currently being connected or being ready to be connected. This is at the same time when we're also getting the ladders off the vehicle where needed, and tools and equipment and PPE are also being pulled out. These are the steps for the operation. Remember, DWSSWD. Those are the 6 steps that we're going to follow in order to successfully complete this job. To begin with, drape. In DWSSWD, the first letter is drape. That's our first step. We're going to drape everything that's underneath the vent hood so that no water can fall on it. This will basically create a protective barrier. Step 2, W, wrap. We're going to wrap the vent hood. We're going to use magnets or clips, even shims where needed. The reason for this is to create a funnel that then connects to a trash bin or other big container to collect the runoff water that we're going to be used to get that grease off. The third step is scrape. So we're going to scrape the grease in most jobs. If it's a light job, we may just spray it, but in this case, we're going to scrape, and we're going to start from the roof and work our way down. After we scrape it, we're going to spray degreaser on it. Every surface where there was grease initially, we will spray with degreaser and give it about 5 to 7 minutes for it to sit and eat up that grease. Once that time's up, we're going to move to the next step, which is wash. We will wash off all that soap and grease that we applied moments ago. Everything needs to be washed, and this is where it's very important to make sure that that wrap is good from when you did step 2. After you wash, you're going to dry. This is very important because this is where water drops actually look like stains on the vent hood. Now, you don't have to dry the ductwork and you don't have to dry the exhaust fan, but it's very critical that you dry the vent hood itself. That stainless steel that you can see, the customer can see, and it's very important to not have any water drops. After the drawing, we then take pictures and we wrap up to go home. Remember, DWSSWD. Drape, wrap, scrape, spray, wash, and dry. Those are your 6 steps, and now we can get this job done in no time. Have a good one. See you later.